There is a ton of bait fish in here, and I can already see the bass coming up and just demolishing them. So I'm gonna throw on this shiny topwater and catch a big bass. If I don't sink in the mud first. Oh, there goes all the bait fish. Something's chasing them. I already missed a nice one. We got one. We got one. I can't walk down there because it's so fucking muddy. A little largemouth. Largie. Sorry. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. That's a fish. That's a fish. Get out of the sticks. Come on, get out of the sticks. Feels like a nice one. It's a nice smallmouth. Fuck yeah, that's a big ass smallmouth. Damn, she's beat up. Just laid my reel in the mud. That's a really nice smallmouth. Fuck yeah, look how fat she is. Hell yeah. I have to throw them because it's so fucking muddy. It's disgusting. I don't like throwing them, but I don't have a choice because I can't stand over there. Just sinking in the mud. Oh, little largemouth. They're loving this popper right now, trying to mimic all the shad swimming around. That's a fish. Oh yeah. Oh, so muddy. So muddy. It's a smallmouth because it's a fighter. That's a nice one. It's a decent. Damn, look how orange its eyes are. That's crazy. Nice little smallmouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a fish. It's a jumper. It's a jumper. Are you a nice smallmouth? Oh yeah. Eh, decent. It's a keeper if I kept fish, but I don't. Look at its colors though. It doesn't have the orange eye like the other one did. Why don't you have an orange eye? Why are you so dark? Got a baby. Got a baby off the top water. I want the big ones. Little guy. Oh, did we catch a little baby guy? He's decent. Nah, he's tiny. He's like 10 inches. Still hitting the popper. Love the popper. Poppers for life. Oh yeah. I didn't even set the hook on you. Bro. You've had your lip torn out before. I don't want little guys, I want a big one. Caught a stick. Caught the only stick out there. Damn. What is this? This does not look like a stick. What the fuck is this thing? A big ass tow rope? Nice. That's the biggest thing I've caught all day. A huge fucking tow rope. Massive.